Welcome back, OGs. Today we're back in the kitchen, me and Weston. We're gonna do a homemade buttermilk brine for a chicken leg. We're gonna smoke tomorrow. It's gonna marinate for about 20 hours or so. Well, yeah, 20 to 22 hours. So hang with us. Come on, let's go. All right, so we got, let's see, about almost 4.5 pounds of chicken legs or chicken drumsticks. So throw them here in the bowl. Like I've said before, you know, make sure that you take extra precaution when dealing with chicken, just because of the, you know, bacteria and everything. You gotta make sure you cook it. I'm gonna probably smoke these at like 275 for probably about 3 hours or so. So we'll go ahead and get them in the bowl there, and we'll make our buttermilk brine. So keep hanging with us. All right, so in order to make homemade buttermilk, you need a cup, or just shy of a cup of milk, to 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. So you put the distilled white vinegar in first, and then you do your cups after that. So like I said, it's probably just shy of whatever a tablespoon for a cup is. So we're gonna start off with like 4 cups of milk. So I'll do 4 tablespoons. 1, there's 2, 3, 4. Hold on. Yep, hold that for me. So now we'll put in 4 cups of milk.
This one mine? This one mine?
So now you have to let it sit for about 5 minutes to let that vinegar and that milk react. So keep hanging with us, guys. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes or so, and you can see it's kind of got some bubbles on here. So we'll pour it in here and see where it's at for marinate wise. That was about perfect, so we'll call that good.
Ooh, yummy, good.
So now we'll use the garlic.
Hey, what? I do it?
All right, mister. Give me a scoopful. All right, sprinkle it in over the chicken. Just don't touch the chicken. Give me 1 more scoop.
This soup?
Perfect.
Do that.
Alright, so now we're just gonna do salt and pepper.
Ooh, and pepper.
You open the pepper up, cap off like this.
And do this.
Yep.
And
So you want a good amount of salt. It would probably, I don't know, tablespoon or 2. Just do it by eye. That's why I'm not a good baker, because I can't do measurements. It's very seldom that I'll actually use measuring spoons. So a little bit more. So we'll mix her up now.
Where my tablespoon? I need my tablespoon. Where is it? My tablespoon.
So this is obviously skin on still. And
I need that one.
we'll let her marinate overnight.
Just need a little bit more.
Okay. We'll let her marinate overnight, and we'll pull her off and pull it out of the fridge at about 2 o'clock tomorrow. So it's almost 4 o'clock now, so it'll be like 22 hours. And then I'll smoke it for about 3 hours at 275. I think I'm gonna probably use pecan wood. And we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys at 2 o'clock tomorrow.
cider.
Guess what?
Huh?
Weston, tell him it's the next day. Let's smoke some wings.
What from the wings?
Welcome back, happy people. We got the chicken out of the refrigerator and we're gonna go ahead and make up our rub. So we're gonna do a little bit of brown sugar, probably, I don't know, 1/4 cup maybe. Not packed, obviously. Do about a teaspoon of basil. Probably, like I said, all these are just guessing. Do a teaspoon of ground mustard. Do some Everglades heat. Some onion powder. Some smoked paprika, which that's already in the Everglades heat, so you don't need a ton of it. A little bit of ground ginger. Some garlic powder. And a little bit of oregano. And we'll mix her up. I went a little heavy on the brown sugar, but it's alright. Oh yeah, she's looking good. So these racks are about perfect size. Like I said, they fit right over the sink, so then you don't need to worry about making a mess. So with this rub, I mean, you can put it on pretty liberal. But we're just gonna sprinkle her on. I got the smoker warming up right now to 280. So we'll see how long it takes. But we want to taste some of that good smoke too. I don't have any pecan smoke, so we're gonna do apple. Any fruit one is good for. And then I didn't do any salt and pepper in the rub just because of there was salt and pepper in the buttermilk brine. So let's throw a little bit extra Everglades heat. And we'll do a little extra garlic powder and paprika. I didn't spray these down, so we'll see if that was a mistake or not, but meet us out at the smoker, guys. Get the legs on, guys. She's up to temp, well, just about 263. Got good smoke. We can go on the lower rack. We're using, for our moisture content, we're using a pink lemonade beer. It's a Nander Day, so keep hanging with us. Alright, welcome back, guys. It's been just over 2 hours they've been on, so we're going to check the temperature of them. Weston woke up from his nap. He's feeling refreshed.
Put it on.
Oh yeah, they're looking good. Good.
I'm looking good.
sitting at about 150.
You wouldn't cold air inside the it get yucky in there. And you get some more.
It's almost 160, so we still got probably another, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. We'll let them keep going, but they're looking pretty dang good. What you think, bud?
Me already have pizza.
Okay, let's go get a popsicle. Alright guys, we got the legs going still in the smoker. There was about 45 minutes left on them, so we're going to make some homemade barbecue sauce to dip the legs into to finish them off. So we're going to do about, I don't know, maybe 2 cups of ketchup, and then about a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and then about another 1/4 cup of brown sugar, some pepper, there's probably, I don't know, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of salt. And we got a little bit left of my homemade maple syrup that I did in the spring. Alright, sorry about that, I couldn't get this dang lid off. So there's a couple tablespoons of syrup left. And then we'll add some orange juice, sweeten it up, and some garlic. A little bit of heat. This is, my sister-in-law lives in Africa, and brother-in-law. My wife went there in the winter and she got some of this chili sauce from Africa. So we'll just add that in there for a little bit of heat. And then we'll do some ground cumin. Probably about, I don't know, tablespoon. Mix this all up. Bring it to a boil, and then we'll turn it down, let it simmer. Then we'll have something to dip our wings into. Needs a little bit more cumin. Like I said, there's a bajillion recipes online for homemade barbecue sauce. I'm just kind of winging this one. My wife made one a couple months ago, and it's kind of similar to this. It was pretty good. So. Alright, so I got the homemade barbecue sauce done. I'm only going to sauce half of them probably, just in case not everybody likes barbecue sauce on their legs. Well, buddy. Alright, they're just about done, guys. All right, we're ready to pull them off.
Oh, they look tasty.
Oh, those look pretty yummy. So these are the barbecued ones, the homemade barbecue sauce. And these are just the plain.
I just do everything all day.
Yep. All right, let's go, bud.
Let's go by.
Come on.
I need
All right, Weston,
Here,
give
help
me
him
the
stab that. What are you eating?
taste test for the chicken legs.
to take me.
There you go.
Pretty good? Yeah?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Which way?
Thumbs up. I didn't even get a chance to do an outro, but hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a big hit. Everybody liked it. I think we got 2 chicken legs left. So if you liked the video, comment, like it, subscribe, and shoot straight.